Now here's some black. Wait. And some green. Thinning it with water. I'm going to add green the same way I was adding the red oxide. Just little bits here and there. Around the mouth, on the chin, under the eyes, across the septum, across the bridge of the nose, across the brow, forehead, cheekbones. Once again, just adding another color. Here's the black. I'm putting the black in the eye sockets and letting it soak in a tiny bit into the cloth. Once again, I'm not being precise. I'm being sloppy. Now I'm working some of the black in between the teeth. In between the bottom teeth.